Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your RAM cache on your Windows PC, and this is very easy to do. So you can see I have 28 gigabytes cached right here. If I go to RAMMap and I go to empty, and then I go to empty standby list right here, it will go ahead and change this. So this is going down from 28 gigabytes, and you can see it's almost down to like 212 megabytes now. So you can clear that at any point in time using this software, and it's very easy to do. Just go to google.com and type in RAM map, and we can get this. It's going to be the first link, learn.microsoft.com, RAM map, system internals. So we can just select this, and then it's going to look like this. Go to download RAMMap, and when you download it, just click the application extract all, and then you should be able to open this. Then when you have RAMMap opened, we can just go to empty standby list right here, and you should see this number go down in Task Manager. Now, another easy thing you can just do is simply restart your computer, and this should clear as well. So just go ahead and look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.